I already did the bed. I try to do this every morning. It's hot. We already finished this. These are 25 spray bottles. A package arrived today from Shopee for... It's hot. This is just a restock. Okay, so I'll put you guys there. And I also recently colored my hair green since I'm trying out different colors. I recently restocked the spray bottles. I ordered 6 dozen. And yesterday night we received 25 orders, so more than 2 dozen. And I already prepared the names last night, so this morning it on the spray bottles. I'm planning to start uploading on our Shopee account for the small business next month. Hopefully it'll be up by that time. And I'm also planning to start making notepads, personalized notepads, and also just the usual notepads that's not a pre-order. So if ever people don't want to wait for their orders like 3 to 7 days, since it's customized or personalized and it takes time to make it, you can purchase that instead. Okay, so I ordered this, a ream of paper A4 for the notepad. And the brand is hard copy. And I also bought some ring binders. I'm also planning to do calendars, so I might use this. Most items that I need for printing, I purchased it from Photolog, and I'll be linking. Wait lang po. So now I'm planning to do some cardio. I do cardio 10 minutes a day. So I got that last 2018, right before my mom died. But since she died, no one used it. And I'd like to share with you what I'm using to sanitize the packages that we receive. So this one is the Sol Back Disinfectant Spray, and this is way cheaper compared to the Lysol one. And it says here that it kills viruses and germs. So it's like the same with the Lysol, but this is the cheaper version. I haven't been able to edit or upload contents lately since I'm still getting the hang of managing the business, since I almost do everything and my partner just helps me with some of the orders. Like mainly is the customer service, is the one taking or accepting orders and all, dealing with the customers. And mostly I do the planning, accounting, almost everything, planning of what product to add in the future. But so far it's really doing good, and I really hope that I started this business earlier when I got here in the Philippines, and not just earlier this year. Like we started February. I thought if we could have started earlier, maybe our savings didn't all just got spent. And well, since it already happened, we can't do anything about it. But so far it's really doing good, and I'm really happy with everything that's going on. But hopefully I'm looking forward to making more content soon in Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube. I recently gained a lot of followers because since I got back in August, I had around 400 subscribers, and now we're up to 700. And also the watch hours is really doing good. It's now averaging 8,000 views per month, and I haven't really uploaded any new video aside from the 3 videos that I uploaded, which are makeup videos and a day in my life. And if you haven't watched that, I'll be adding it on the end of this video. I'll also be linking our Shopee account, so if ever we start selling on Shopee, if you'd like to buy, you'll know where to get. So since it's almost 12 already, we just ordered pork sisig and 2 rice.